How to transfer Wix website to Editor X. So right here from the homepage of Wix, we want to click on our name and then select Go to All Sites. Now this will take us to a list of all of our websites, and right here next to our website we want to click on the three dots. But if you don't have the Editor X option, then what we have to do is actually go to Editor X and log in with the same email which we have used to create our Wix website. So I'm going to choose this and I'm going to log in with the same email, and we will have to grant it permission. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work as well. So it will take us through the intro page on Editor X. So we can do I'm a freelancer, myself, get started. So just fill out this information very carefully, and we can either continue with Editor X or we can switch to Wix Studio. So it will tell us that it's starting in April 2024, but I'm going to continue with Editor X here, and I'm going to click on Edit Blank Canvas, and now I'm going to go back to Wix, refresh this page here, see if Editor X actually appears now. And if I click on it, as you can see, now we have the option to rebuild on Editor X. So that's how you transfer over your website onto Editor X. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.